Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access archived emails in Gmail. Archiving emails is a great way to keep your inbox organized without deleting important messages. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Gmail account in your web browser. Once you are logged in, you will be able to access your events and other Gmail features. In the left sidebar of your Gmail interface, look for More option. Click on it to expand the additional labels and then select All Mail from the list. Once you are in All Mail view, you will see a list of emails in your Gmail account, including archived emails. You can use the search bar at the top to search for specific archived emails by sender, subject, or keyword. Scroll through the list of emails or use the search results to find the archived email you are looking for. Once you have located it, simply click on it and view the email. If you want to move an archived email back to your inbox, you can do so by clicking on Move to Inbox button or by dragging the email to inbox level. Once you are finished accessing your archived emails, you can close All Mail view by clicking on Inbox in the left sidebar to return to your main inbox. And there you have it. You now know how to access archived emails in Gmail. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.